With President Trump landing in the UK, hundreds of thousands of people took to the streets of the UK to protest against him. I took to the streets of Sheffield to find out more.
So let's start with, we march today against Trump the warmonger. Yes, despite some of his election rhetoric in the first 7 months of the Trump administration, more people died as a result of his drone strikes than during the 8 years under Obama.
Today I'm here with my toddler, so in that context I'm against him because of how he's been separating kids from families. I'm against his immigration policy, full stop. I think it's disgusting.
I don't like it to be a proxy protest against America. And I think it's important to have this protest, but I also think there may be more productive things to do to get rid of Trump.
He's not fit to be president. He's not fit for the office, and he has no understanding of how politics should work.
Along with haters of President Trump, there are also extreme fans of the president, as displayed outside Sheffield City Hall. As you can probably tell, there are a lot of fans of the president demonstrating their right of freedom of speech.
When approached for an interview, the Donald Trump fans refused to comment at every opportunity. This has been Daniel Bird for Shoe News from Sheffield City Centre.